Well, I'm in Dana Point, California on vacation. Came up here to this little park on the hill above the harbor there. Gonna fly the Trex 450Pro around a little bit. Nothing crazy because it's a park with a lot of people around and some dogs and stuff, so just gonna take it easy and kind of play around a little bit. Enjoy. That dog over there seems to have a real interest in it too. So we'll just keep it over here kind of away from you. .450 Pro with an ocean view. I was wanting to fly my Icon off the water, but it's been just too windy here for the last week. Every day. It's actually kind of windy out here right now, but I just had to fly something besides my MQX in the front yard of the cottage, so decided to break out the 450 Pro and alrighty, we're going to bring it in. Just not feeling real comfortable here at this particular park. We'll do some low and slow stuff here so we can just get a little. Kind of cool seeing the ocean behind it instead of desert all the time. So that's all I usually see is desert. So it's actually pretty darn cool seeing the 450 Pro sitting there hovering, the ocean in the background. What a sight. got a little away from me there. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Man, what a view.